Okay, Assalamualaikum. Good day. How are you today? Okay, fine. Yes. Welcome back to our channel, ya, Malayati Merchant Marine Cadet Community. Yes. Today our subject is environment protection. Yes. We um, discuss about marine pollution 1973, 1978. Okay. Uh, Fully hope. Yes. uh, our ship can sailing on clean ocean. Yes, this is all our responsibility. Yes, captain responsibility, chief engineer, officer, engineer, all rating, also you as cadet. Yes, we have responsibility for our environment protection. Okay. uh, we have some equipment on board ship. Yes, to protect or to reduce pollution. Yeah, we have sewage, we have oil water separator, we have incinerator. Yes, also other equipment. Yeah, for prevention of pollution. Okay. uh, in the International Maritime Organization, yes, we have regulation from marine pollution 1973, 1978. Yes, we have six annex. Yeah, the first is annex 1 is regulation for prevention of pollution by oil. We have oil water separator. Okay, this is oil water separator. Yes, according Annex 1. Yeah, this for prevention of pollution by oil. Yeah, as you know, many oil leakage, water leakage, yeah, mixing in the engine room area and the bilges area. Yeah, bilge well. Yeah, this is very danger. Yeah, we cannot direct discharge to overboard because we have Annex 1 is regulation for prevention of pollution by oil. Okay, Annex 2, the regulation for the control of pollution by noxious liquid substance in bulk. Annex 3, prevention of pollution by harmful substance carried by sea in packaged uh, form. Okay. Uh, Annex 2 and Annex 3 is depend the special cargo ship. Yeah, special carrier. Yeah, special carrier should be obeying the regulation Annex 2 and Annex 3. Okay. The next, Annex 4 is prevention of pollution by sewage from ship. Yes, we have sewage like this. Okay, this we have sewage treatment device. Okay, uh, all safer call this sewage plant. Yeah, sewage plant. Okay, so many sewage every early morning, every noontime, every night. Yeah, everybody uh, go to restroom. Yeah, so many sewage produced on ship. Also, this um, very danger for our environment. Yeah, should be processes by sewage. Yeah, by biological system on sewage. Okay, next presentation I will show you detail all machinery or equipment. Okay, the next Annex 5, yeah, the prevention of pollution by garbage, yeah, from the ship. So many garbage, yeah, many oil rack, yeah, some engine, some engine rating, ya, clean up engine species waste, ya, many garbage products, also on galley, ya, maybe or accommodation, so many paper, so many wood, yes, this also plastic, yes, plastics should be spared, yeah. So we have incinerator, okay, this is incinerator, the function to incinerate of garbage, yeah, according Annex 5, okay. Then we have Annex 6 is prevention of air pollution from ship. As you know our Earth's some problem, yes, about ozone depleting potential, yeah, ODP, global warming, yes. Also, our ship should be careful because our ship so many produce pollution. So be aware, yeah. Please use your fuel, yeah, with low sulfur, so we can reduce air pollution. Also, maximize engine maintenance, so we can reduce air pollution. Okay. Okay. So we have 6 annex on marine pollution 1973-1978. Annex 1, the regulation for prevention of pollution by oil. Annex 2, the regulation for the control of pollution by noxious liquid substance in bulk. Annex 3, prevention of pollution by harmful substance carried by sea in packet form. Annex 4, yeah, prevention of pollution by sewage from ship. Annex 5, prevention of pollution by garbage from ship. And Annex 6, prevention of air pollution from ship. Okay. Thanks for your time. Yes. 8 minutes together, and see you for the next subject. Yes. Indonesian Shiver Weekend. Wassalam.